Welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to use user defaults to store normal key value data for a Flutter macOS application. So let's get started. So here, as you can see, my app is still building. So here, as you can see, I have created a Flutter project, and here I have just refactored my homepage widget. Then I have taken this method channel called UserDefaults platform. I have created a platform, and I have also created one variable for reading data so that I can update this variable and display it inside our UI. Okay, so my app has finally ready. So here I will try to read something. I'm not sure if there is any data or not. So okay, there is no data. Here you can see I'm printing the exception to the console. I will create some data. I will try to read it. Okay, here you can see my super secret data. Now I will update it. Okay, I will try to read it again. Here you can see my updated it. Now I'm just passing the data hard coded via code, but you can add a text input as well if you want to. Now I will delete the data. Okay, the data has been deleted. If I try to read it again, pay attention to this console. Here you can see I'm again getting an error. So yeah, if I try to create it again and read again, here you can see the data has been present. So let's get started. So here, as I was telling you, I have created a method channel. The name is UserDefaults platform. Same name you will have to use it on your macOS side as well. And here I have created one variable data for reading it, and I have created few methods for creating a data. We'll have to call the create method on macOS side, and the data which I am passing is my super secret data. This is the key. For reading data, again we are calling the read method. Once we get the data, if it is not equal to null, I'm just updating my variable using set state. And for updating it, we are calling the update method, and we are passing our data. This is my updated data. And for deleting it, we are just calling the delete method. And if you see my UI, I have just taken text button and I'm calling the appropriate methods on press. This is for read, this is for update, this is for delete, and this is for displaying the data which we get from reading. Now if I go to my macOS application, so you will have to open a macOS folder, open XE workspace inside Xcode, and here firstly I have defined our user defaults.standard. Next I have created this Flutter method channel user defaults platform. Next I have created this download file channel.set method call handler. I have created all these methods. So create, read, update, delete. Like these are not really methods but switch cases. But here if you see, the method name is this create, read, update, delete, and this identifier has to be the same what you have defined it on the Flutter side. Now once the user call creates, I'm first getting the data which the user has passed, and I'm just setting that data for this particular key. If you want, you can pass the key from Flutter side as well, just like I'm sending the data. And here for read, I'm just reading this particular data. So user defaults.value, just pass your particular key, and if there is data, I'm sending the data. Otherwise I'm sending an error message. Similarly for update, we get the data which we are sending it from Flutter side. Then we do user defaults.set, pass our data for key of data, and then we return an error. And for delete as well, we just remove object for key data. So yeah, that's it. That's how simple it is. Do make sure you don't store any sensitive data in user defaults. It is used for storing normal data which is not user sensitive, or nothing like password should be saved in user defaults. I have already made a video on keychain, so you can use that if you want to store sensitive data like password. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.